The information contained in the video does not constitute a solicitation to the public to save money and is not intended to promote any form of investment or trade, nor to promote or place financial instruments, investment services or banking products. The use of the data and information contained in the video as a support of choices of personal investment operations is at the user's complete risk, since they are the result of personal evaluations with a purely mathematical, statistical approach that do not guarantee returns of any kind.
Good morning, guys. Well, let's update the Bitcoin chart. We left on an X with our magnet that would almost certainly have attracted the price to a very, very important level, this 14 and 4. Breaking and closing the weekly level above is the first clue, the first hint of Bitcoin reversing, which is trying right now, as we see from the chart, and is approaching the very first resistance to our bearish channel. From here to the cyclical level, what do we have? We have a quarterly that started from the top, and a probable reverse cycle is that is fighting against a quarterly that started from the index cycle. These are the two checkpoints. Here there will be confirmation of an upward reversal, therefore, with a victory of the reverse cycles that will lead Bitcoin to new highs, while the loss of this level to 108,593 will lead Bitcoin to update new lows and almost certainly start an annual reverse cycle from this high. Having said this, how can we understand? Before we get to these levels, before we get below this level, if Bitcoin is reversing, or this other level that is above 118,000. The weekly chart is very important, where the closures will be fundamental. And these are the two moving averages of very important trends at a historical level always. As for Bitcoin charts, closing above the orange moving average can say, avoid this probable death cross in formation. On the contrary, a close below the weekly blue moving average at 118, as you can see, 114.9 is currently the reference range. It could be like an anticipatory factor of the loss of the 108,000 new and 48. So pay attention to the weekly closure. It's only Wednesday. This week still has many days left, and what we have done could only be the top. What we are going to do could only be the top of the week. So be careful, guys. Maximum caution in this period where we are in limbo, in the struggle between the two quarterly cycles. Have a nice day, everyone. If you like these videos, please like it and follow the channel. Hi, guys.